watching a pie bake. Should be ready in about an hour. This is a Food Basics pie. We got 2 of these deep dish tender flake pie crusts. One was a bit distorted in the pack, so I used the other one. Just watching it bake to make sure it does bake. You have to bake it for 15 minutes on high and then you turn it down. What you do is you take your Granny Smith apples in your disposable plastic bag that they still have, and you shave them up using my second favorite peeler. And then you just dice them up, put them in this bowl, and you mix them with sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and about a half tablespoon of lemon juice that I bummed from the neighbor. And all you really have to do is mix it up, put it in the shell and put it in, and then in about an hour's time you get yourself a pie. Now, one thing I found is that the recipe I used, it calls for 7 of these Granny Smith apples, so I did purchase 7 of them, but I find that even there's 4 in that pie, and you can tell right away that that's maybe even a bit too many. So 7, that'll make you 2 pies fairly easily, so that's why I bought the 7, and then I had the thought of making a second pie with the first one, but I just decided to do the one today. But at another day's time there will be a second pie in this household. And you need this this guy right here, otherwise you get your pie dripping, or you can, and then it gets all smoky in here and you don't want that, and then you have to clean your oven up. So definitely recommend something to catch the drip if you're a first time pie baker. But that's about it. I'm just watching it bake. I'll probably be here for another hour. Let me know if you want a slice of pie.